Objective: learn the basic Rhino 3D navigation tools and commands. The interface. Menus allow you to access commands, options, and help through text-based drop-down menus. The command prompt is an area to type and run commands and see options and other information displayed by the command while running or after it exits. The toolbars contain graphical icons for initiating commands. Many toolbar icons have a second command that you can access by right-clicking on the icon. The ExactFlat toolbar contains all of the ExactFlat commands and functions. O-snaps used to set object snap settings. O-snaps are magnetic points that can be referenced on existing geometry and help you model with precision. The status bar displays the current coordinate system, the cursor location, and the system unit. It also provides quick access to layers and toggles of modeling aids. Panels help you organize your model and objects, and manage and edit geometry, amongst other things. Viewports are customizable windows into your 3D model, providing the necessary visual space to explore and manipulate the geometry you are creating. Rhino automatically displays 4 viewports upon opening. There are 3 main ways to run commands in Rhino, either through the menus, the command window, or the toolbars. The commands are the same, but you may find you prefer one method over another. Viewports and view modes. Rhino opens up with 4 viewport windows by default, with their titles in the top left corner, with the defaults being top, front, right, and perspective. Viewports can be maximized or minimized by double-clicking on its title. By default, the viewports are set to the wireframe mode. Click the drop-down arrow next to the title to see the other viewport modes and extra options. Set the viewports to shaded to see the curvature and depth of your objects. This will also show the ExactFlat stream map when enabled. Navigation. In a parallel view, press and drag the right mouse button to pan. In the perspective view, hold down Shift plus the right mouse button to pan. You can zoom using the scroll wheel on the mouse, or hold down Control plus the right mouse button for a slightly more fine-tuned zoom. The Zoom Selected command will zoom to the selected object. The Zoom command allows you to drag a window around the area you want to zoom to. In the perspective view, press and drag the right mouse button to orbit. Selections. Left-click on any object to select it. Hold Shift while clicking to select additional objects. Hold Control while clicking to deselect an object from a selection, and press Escape to cancel a selection or click off an object in the blank space. Multiple objects can be selected by left-clicking and dragging a box. Do a window selection by left-clicking in the blank space and dragging to the right. Anything within the bounds of the box will be selected. To do a crossing selection, left-click in the blank space and drag to the left. Any object within the box will be selected. Objects can also be selected by their type. Here are some common selection commands. Select all, select mesh, select none, select curve, select surface, lasso, select polysurface, and invert. Layers can be created by pressing the New Layer button in the Layers panel. Double-click on a layer to set it as the active layer. Double-click on the active layer to rename that layer, or right-click and select Rename. Toggle layer visibility on and off by clicking the light bulb icon. Click the padlock icon to lock or unlock a layer. Objects that are created will automatically be set to the active layer. You can change an object's layer in the Properties panel, or by selecting an object and right-clicking on a layer you want to change an object to, and selecting Change Object Layer. The gumball is a widget for manipulating geometry by moving, rotating, scaling, copying, extruding, and cutting, all wrapped up in one tool. To turn on the gumball, navigate to the middle of the Modeling Aids section, locate, and click on the button labeled Gumball. Now when you select any object, you'll see the gumball widget. The arrow handles allow you to drag on the X, Y, and Z arrows to move an object in the arrow's direction. The rotate handles allow you to drag on the X, Y, or Z arcs to rotate the object around the axis. The plane handles allow you to move an object along two axes